When your furniture arrives, they may arrive on pallets, and rather than throw these away, you can upcycle them and give them a new life. There are many things that you can create with these pallets. Today I'm going to make a garden bar. When pallets arrive, they tend to be rough in texture. I will be going for a more rustic look, so I'll give them a very light sand. You can do more if you want a smoother finish. Cut out some of the slats from both pallets, except the one in the centre, which will support the shelf. Use the wood that you cut away earlier to create the shelf. Cut them all to the same length. At this point, it's up to you how you'd like this to look. You can either add a wood stain or a paint. I've decided to paint this white, but there are so many different colours, it's up to you. Paint the pallets with exterior wood paint and allow them to dry. Now the pallets are dry, it's time to put them together. Hold the pallets together with clamps to keep them in place while you drill pilot holes before adding the screws to secure the pallets together. Place all the slats down in place to ensure the correct positioning. Use an offcut of wood so the gap is equal throughout. Add screws to secure the slats into place onto the pallets. For the top, I am using some tiles that I have cut to size and then applying external adhesive to hold them into place. So that's the garden bar complete. Now it's time to invite your friends and family around.